Why are we learning about this? HS4.T.R3.C. Compare and debate the connection between a theatrical work and contemporary issues that may impact audiences. The Congressional Medal of Honor Foundation has identified 6 core traits common to both Medal of Honor recipients and Civilian Service Before Self honors recipients. Those traits are courage, integrity, patriotism, citizenship, commitment, and sacrifice. I told you that I wanted to create some fertilizer to help your germinal ideas grow. Developing a germinal idea can be really difficult. Some germinal ideas come easily. Sometimes the fact that a germinal idea can come from anywhere and be anything is wonderful and freeing because the possibilities are limitless. But sometimes the fact that the possibilities are limitless makes it a lot harder to come up with that germinal idea. Rather than leave the germinal idea process completely open-ended, we will begin by learning about all 6 of the Congressional Medal of Honor core values. This is the soil in which to plant your germinal ideas. As a class, we will select one of the 6 traits, and that trait will form the central theme for our play. The possibilities are still limitless, but beginning with the 6 core traits will point us in a certain direction that will help us begin to narrow our focus into what will eventually be a cohesive plot that we can then turn into a fantastic movie.